Wow. Launched today, hit 2,000, over 2,200% today, got listed today, and also hit a massive pump in terms of market cap. C network have really pumped. C network at the time of recording this have actually hit 2,205% increase in price within 4 hours of its launch. Within 4 hours of its launch, this coin have reached over 2,205% price pump. This is amazing. Wow, the day it was launched. Okay, now I believe that now at the time of recording, the market cap is already approaching $400 million. The market cap in 24 hours, same day it was launched. This is amazing. Some people believe the coin is going to be one of the best crypto coins of 2023. So the best coin that was launched in 2023. And I think it has already taken that position of the best launched coin of 2023. C network. Well, if you have not gotten this coin, you can buy this coin right now on Binance. You can buy it on Get.io. You can buy it on Kucoin. You can buy it on Kraken at the time of recording this. Okay, this coin is pumping. I'm not saying you can invest huge, but I want to let you know, if you want to buy this coin, just buy what you know you can afford to lose. But right now, C network is really doing well. C network is pumping massively. C network is a trading coin. At the moment, the number one, the #1 trading coin everywhere. Social media engagement, they have over 539,000 Twitter followers. Imagine, this is huge. This coin is going to do wonders. Let us keep hoping and let's keep supporting C network coin. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.